And hold on one second. Now, this idea is a very, very good idea to go ahead and strengthen your wife for letting you come learn. You see, after the Jews went through the sea, they sang a song of gratitude to God. It's known as Az Yashir, the Song of the Sea. After the men sang the song, the woman as well sang the song. Now, when the woman sang the song, the expression used is very different. Instead of saying the woman sang a song, it says the woman answered. Now, when you sing, you don't answer, you sing. So why does it use the expression in the Torah of answering? As well, it only quotes one line in the song. The one line in the song is that Hashem destroyed the horses together with their riders. Both the horse and the riders were killed by God in the sea. Okay, a nice verse, a nice part of the song. But when the men sing the song, there's a bunch of verses, many, many different nice expressions of gratitude to Hashem. So why was this verse singled out when the woman sang the song? So there was an issue going on in heaven when the Jews were being saved by the sea and the Egyptians were drowning. And the issue was that both the Jews and the Egyptians served idols. Both of them at this point were not that righteous. So the angel said to God, why are you saving the Jews and killing the Egyptians? Both are not so righteous. Said God, the Jews are going to accept the Torah, and specifically the element of limud Torah, learning Torah. And therefore, that's their merit over the Egyptians. So, an interesting idea. The women don't have the same obligation to study Torah like the men do. They're required to follow all the mitzvahs and to follow the Torah, but the actual learning Torah, they don't have the same obligation. So maybe they were missing that element. Maybe they were, missing something to have the merit to leave. Said Miriam, who was the leader of the woman, who was the leader of the song of the woman, she said an amazing thing. And this was the one verse that's quoted, and I'll explain it at the end. Why did the horses die when the Egyptians died? What did the horses do wrong? The horses were just the Egyptians' horses. So what do you see? That someone that helps out, assists someone who's doing evil gets punished. Even though the horses didn't have the intelligence, but they were punished by the mere fact that they were assisting the Egyptians. We know a concept in the Torah that the greatness of reward over punishment, the difference scale of reward versus punishment with regards to Hashem is 500 to 1. Reward is 500 times greater than punishment. Said Miriam that if the Egyptians' horses got destroyed because they were assisting the Egyptians, our merit to get out of the sea is because we will assist our husbands to study Torah. And when your wife allows you to come study Torah, she gets tremendous credit. She gets, so much more credit than the Egyptian horses got punished. Their punishment, we get 500 times greater in reward. So Miriam, when she says answering, she was answering the angels, the accusing angels, the angels that said, why should you deserve to get through the splitting of the sea and the Egyptians die? They both did idol worship. No. The women are going to assist the husbands and let them learn Torah. And for that, they have merit to get out of Egypt. And therefore, the one verse that the Torah quotes from her is the verse that says the horses and the riders died together. To show us that the riders also died, even though they were only assisting. Because to show that the women themselves who will be assisting the men studying Torah also have a merit to come out of Egypt. So it's very, very powerful for the woman to realize how much they're integral